Okay, for the broadcast script retake, it is due January 5th at 9 a.m. If you read over the announcement, it tells you that people with a 3 or a 4, you do not need to do this. What you need to do is read for at least 30 minutes a day, a book of your choice. On the 6th is picture day. So it is asynchronous. So you still have work that day. It's going to be vocabulary. But today, all you're working on is the retake. It's due the 5th. You must meet with me in the Zoom on the 5th or the 7th to go over your work. Again, January 6th is picture day. The retake is due tomorrow by 9 a.m. First, you need to go into the module. You should always access your assignments through the module. You know, we're in Unit 2. The script summative was back on December 11th. You should go in there and look at your feedback. It should be at the bottom of the page when you look at it. And other places, there's actually a video there to show you where to find the feedback. So you go in. Since I don't have a paper, I can't give you it, but here is the, within this, you will see your feedback. You have to log in to see the assignment. There are some feedback within the document and also on the bottom. If you scroll down using the scroll down button, you'll be able to see my feedback. Here is the, this is a writing summative, so you have to maintain formal style, no contractions, no first or second person when it's not in a quote. You have to logically build for deeper understanding. You have to use the cause and effect transition words and description. You need to have a complex information. So that is what you need in order to get a 4. The traits of a hero must be in your inferences. So are they courageous and brave? You're proving that this person is a hero. So what is a hero? Here is the criteria. This is what makes a person. It's universal. People believe these are the traits of a hero. They're caring and compassionate, patient and decisive, humble and modest, selfless, courageous and brave. So you don't need all of them. You need to be able to show like which your quote that you're finding, the specific quotes that you're using, which ones best those quotes are closest or develop which of these traits. So you need to link the quote to one of these. So your quotes should truly prove that this person is brave. They also need to prove that they faced challenges. So what is a challenge? A challenge is a problem or an obstacle that is in front of you. So you need to have quotes of a challenge. Then you're going to put them here. So you're going to have your greeting. You're going to use the broadcast script that you already had. You might already have your greeting. You don't have to rewrite one. It says that you needed 2 pieces of evidence because you're supposed to copy and paste from your infographic. So you should have 2 pieces of evidence that prove they're a hero. And it says hero right here. 2 pieces of evidence that proves they faced a challenge. You have to use quotes, cite the source, and must be in a complete sentence. So you can't just have the source name at the bottom. That doesn't work. You're talking to your audience. Remember, the purpose is ultimately you're going to read this as you speak to an audience. You wouldn't just put a word at the end of your sentence. Click on these. If you want an example of an analysis, click on the links. If you want this hero trait, click on this link here and it will show you this. When you click on the analysis portion, this is the hero analysis. So for right now, do not worry about the source analysis. That's not what it's asking you. It's asking you for the hero analysis. So if you click on this link, you'll get this. Here's an example of an analysis or a hero to prove the person is a hero. Then at the end, you have you're either introducing the next speaker or you're closing out the broadcast. When you're finished, make sure you submit it. So we have it, and then come to the Zoom to go over it with me for your final grade, your retake grade.